here in Gboko. And for us, it's a good thing because the heat yesterday was so crazy. Me, I love the sound of the rain. You know, I just woke up this morning and I discovered that the weather was changing. And the next thing, the rain started dropping. This is the window of my hotel room. So it's open and I'm taking fresh air. Oh God, how I love rain. You know, when it's raining, you feel good. You feel beautiful and lovely. Um, and this is the first one of the year because the heat was crazy. You see, breathtaking. I did not wear anything, and I slept like that, just with my boxers. But see now with this rain, sleep is gonna be good. Man. I just pray that this night, the night will come, so that the heat will not come. Most of the times, when it's rain like this, you'll see the heat will come back at night. So, for me, I really thank God for this wonderful blessing because rain is a blessing. For you to have rain, you have blessing. To us, rain is a blessing. I know today the weather will clear up so that we can be able to see what is happening. Rain, thank you, Lord, for the rain. So I'm happy. That there is rain. God has given us rain. It's raining, guys. Can you see? Look at the window. First rain of the year. For us here in Benue State, Nigeria, we appreciate this kind of rain because it's not always easy for you to see rain like this by this time. So me seeing rain today is a thing of joy to me. And today I'm going to sleep. Yes, let me know where you're watching from. Thank you for joining. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Alright? At least if you subscribe now, know that, oh, this person has subscribed to my YouTube channel. All my wonderful subscribers, I love you. Everybody that always come here to watch me, I love you all. Share this video, comment, let us know where you're watching us from. The rain is here and we're enjoying the rain. The first rain of this year. Since the beginning of this year, this is the first rain that we'll have. And it's a thing of joy. Like I said, for me, I am happy to receive this wonderful rain. Can you see? Can you hear the sound of the clouds? You know, I remember when we were in the village, and anytime it's raining, you hear the sound of the cloud. You know, thunder. Yeah, that's thunder now. Yes, that's thunder. And when we were in the village, it was so scary while we were in the village. But now everybody has grown big, so we are not that scared of thunder again. and turn down lightning. You know, most of the times that lightning that is always scared. The light will flash and then to catch so many things. So that is that. So if you are new here, please, if you love what I'm doing and you feel like supporting me, subscribe. So let's look at this subscribing stuff. So look at my subscribers here. So can you just subscribe to just push this thing to 180 to 80. 4 people are watching me here. So if I have 2 people subscribe, we have 80. So why are you not subscribing? And you're here watching me. So thank you guys for always joining. Look at the window. You can see the rain. We're enjoying the cool, lovely, sweet weather. At least, if somebody is commenting now, that's okay. Let me just take the camera outside so that you guys can see what it looks like outside. Yeah. Nobody is commenting. Let me show you outside from the window. Okay. That's the shop where I'm at. Everywhere is quiet. Nobody is passing outside. Can you see those people under that, under the shade? Can you see them? See people under the shade. People are there. Hello, how are you? How you doing? Can you see people under the shade? Lots of rain. Hello, where you watching it from? That's the shop. That's the shop where they sell stuff. Yeah. Let's enjoy the beauty of the rain. Aí, ali, né? Assim. Eu vi você novo, você não lembra do cara. Não, não, mas isso sempre tá no celular. Não é do Gboko. Ayo, aku abon. Abon na naman na wakon. Nhiều ra. Đúng rồi, không có phần của cái nào. Okay. Okay. So you see this rain? I'm looking at those stones and I'm kind of asking myself what the stones and the rubbers and the sand and what they are going through. Are they really happy that the rain is dropping on them, or they are sad? Because you can see now the drop of rain is hitting on them, poop, 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 poop. And I believe there are some stuffs here that are not happy that the rain is disturbing them. I know maybe the stone, like this stone here, will be happy because, oh, thank God for the rain. So the stone might be enjoying the rain. And I believe the plastic too might be enjoying the rain. And yeah, those nylon too, yeah. Because they'll be washed and they'll be clean. And I know some of the insects that are around here, inside here, they'll not be happy because maybe the rain has disturbed their home. So they will feel sad. Well, that's my thinking, you know. What do you think that all the things that are around this place, what is happening to them? What are they going through? Hmm? Me as a human being, I'm happy. So what are they going through? Are they happy? What's your take? I think they're happy. Good. So the rain is about to go down. The rain is about to go down. The rain.
We are going to say this now. Yes. So I'm going to give my yes. Yes. All right. I'm sorry.
See guys, I'm editing a video. Alright, thank you so much for watching. The rain has stopped. I'll see you guys later because you see I'm editing a video here. I'm editing a video, yeah. Using CapCut. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
We are going to